Families and friends, you know it's Rastafari again. Yeah, it look like say Beenie man new gyal I mash up them head. And when me say them, you know who me a talk about. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. Yes, and if you want to hear the truth, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button and don't say nothing other than leaving your comments, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. Breaking in the dancehall news right now. The old dog, the gyal them sugar, have made it a headline after posting a new picture with a new lady. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at Beenie Man with his previous ladies. That is Mrs. Thompson. Okay, and you know, so the angel was another sugar of the dancehall dog. Now here is Beenie Man right now, new lady being posted on the internet, my families and friends, and as you see, it is UK actress Alexis Economou. She is 20-year-old, a gorgeous actress, and like I'm saying, it's been alleged this is the gyal them sugar new woman you are gonna take. Now listen, me no want the angel and Miss Tomlinson fi lose them wig because uno know a long time just like everyone did. A old dog like Beenie, the gyal them sugar. The DJ Beenie Man has sent the internet and the world speculating over this overdriven social media post right here. Listen to me. Further with UK model actress Alexis Economou over the weekend. While it appeared that Beenie Man is 48, many have just been beside themselves. You are gonna take because they see this picture looming online. Now Beenie Man just shoot a music video, ladies and gentlemen, and has since deleted the photo he shared on Instagram, cozying up with the 20-year-old married at first sight UK actress. It kickstarted a series of inquiry. Of course, then if the people them see the old dog with a new dog, then of course them are gonna find out if there could be new puppies coming from this. Now remember, say Beenie Man, I him say him a the girl them sugar, you know, and I him say him a old dog like we, you know. While he's appearing, in this music video, you are gonna see people probably come up with some kind of idea, say man, the girl a date when it's just a acting, but it is in a new video. People are texting on the Instagram, is this your new boo? Was the big question of the day, while several others patted the old dog on his back, saying, one thing with Beenie Man, him a go have a whole bunch of woman. Have mercy, one follower had said. Another added, my king, enjoy your life, cause I only one life you have to live. Others joined in inquiry, verses from the Beenie Man's classic gyalis tune, like man fi have enough gyal and gyal in a bungle. Yagante, gyal from Rima, gyal from jungle. Yagante. And who am I? The gyalis them sugar. One perplexed observer wrote it. What amazed me about men, they are always quick to get back in a relationship after a breakup. What's wrong with getting therapy to make sure your mind is on 100 so you won't repeat the same mistake you made in previous relationship? Beenie Man and Krystal Tomlinson, who is the mother of his youngest child, confirmed their split early this year. I mean the gal them sugar. I deal with a new sugar. The dog have picked up a new dog. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if I can say the female dog pan the YouTube here and only not get vexed. But big up to Beenie man. Big up to him new woman if that is his new woman. And if it is not, congratulations on the new music video. Now, as for the not so mystery woman that has been caught on social media catching everybody attention, you are going to it is Alexis Economou. You are going to Economou is an actress, model, and a TV extra in London. She has a latest gig in UK. Married at First Sight is a reality series. She was also constantly on BGT, which is Britain Got Talent, back in 2012 as a singer, a girl group, and was also featured as an extra in The Intent 2. The Intent is the name of the movie 2. Yaganti, which also featured Popcorn as Sawasap. Yaganti, so a long time she link with the yard band them. Yaganti, it seems like Angel has moved on from the old dog and got a new man. But it looked like, say, Miss Tomlinson really got tied up with the girl them sugar. You can't get bind up with the girl them sugar. You can take. Thanks to all of the people them in the dancehall area, we actually look into the situation and said because I don't want to talk about the situation because the dancehall, is a movie place. Now Alexis is no stranger to the music video as she, entered enough music video worldwide. You know what I'm saying? Various UK and Nigerian music video you can find her in as well. A music video girl. So it appears that it's probably been a man seeking out a music video girl and just had a little photo up. You are guarantee. So she was included in WSTRN, Jico, Lady Leisha, Gigi, Rams, Lato Boy, Chipmunk, and Tenoko Mills. You're going to check out the sexy display of LAX 2019 single Body Here, and you will see when we are talking about Beenie Man is currently in the UK, has also been spotted linking up with some elites in the entertainment business. Yaganti, from actor Idris Elba to dancehall singer Stefflon Don and comedian Dave Chappelle, just to name a few. The dancehall king is expected to release his highly anticipated but delayed album Yagantin Sima sometime this year. That's why you see Bounty Killer try rush figure go put out album also. People may tell you say, more big up the old dog. Cause you know say you're no fraud. Yagante. More to big up the girl them sugar, which is Beenie Man. Yeah, real dancehall king. Yagante. Enough people want to take it from him. But big up yourself. You something say Beenie Man. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. The new actress, Alexis, you're looking great. That's why everybody is wondering if you and Beenie Man is out and are dead. The angel, no worry yourself, you don't do your thing, Miss Tomlinson, go on, hold on the politics and don't run down no dog. Because a dog is like a shadow. Because if you run down the shadow, you know what's going to happen. You'll never catch it. So big up the yard man there, man. Beenie Man, for no, so man, a gyalis, even if we don't have a palace. I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen, of Deep Roots TV. Just reporting, said the old dog has been spotted at a new canal with some new doggy, some new female dog. Y'all gonna take this time. It's an actress out of UK. Below Mrs. Alexis. And the girl named Alexis, you know, so them big up yourself, yard man, cause you know, see, when we go to girl man for you know the police. Y'all gone take. Big up on yourself. Subscribe, like, and share this one for me. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Deep Roots TV. More life, more joy, of course, and more happiness to my family. You be blessed. Big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself, all dog. Big up yourself, all dog. The gyal them sugar. Yogante. I mean, Beenie. I mean, Beenie. You can ramp with them.